I worked alongside gentlemen from the West End of London who could do hairstyles I'd never even seen. But they thought lunch hours were for eating lunch. I realized lunch hours were for squeezing in 5 extra customers who couldn't come any other time. And one day my boss told me, you bring in 30% more income to the salon than the men who were more talented and more experienced and getting paid 3 times as much. That's why I thought, where is tenacity and the ability to work hard going to pay off? So obviously, the colonies. And when I arrived, my boss, Charles, it was the Mark Hopkins Hotel. And he had never seen anyone work like me because I was working. I thought this was a license to steal. I was earning 50% commission. No guarantee, no sick pay, no vacation pay, but 50%. He said, Patricia, go back to England and bring over 28 of your friends. I'll become a multimillionaire. I said, Charles, I've never worked with anyone who works as hard as me. You got me. That's it. So I would also encourage you to reinforce with your team. You don't have to be the smartest. You don't have to be the best. But you do have to work harder and be consistent.